Hello everyone. On Saturday 29 March the digital map of beekeepers from Moldova was launched within the Get Online Week 2014. The aim of this map is to facilitate the communication between the beekeepers in Moldova in order to develop some common standards in beekeeping and in honey production, and thus to create and guarantee the needed standards for honey export abroad Moldova. This map was created by Infonet Alliance in cooperation with National Association of Beekeepers from Moldova. This map, as you can see, is very easy to use. You can find here, for example, the National Association of Beekeepers in Moldova. Also, you can find Regional Association of Beekeepers from Moldova. You can also see how many professional beekeepers you can find in Moldova, and also amateur beekeepers. Also, you can find the centers for where the services for beekeepers are provided. We think this is a very useful tool for beekeepers, and not only beekeepers in Moldova. Thank you.